For sure. But yeah, look, bro, we all going to the movies later on. If you still coming, is you riding with us or you got your own way? Nah, Tammy says she gonna be on y'all side anyway later on, so I'm probably just gonna come get her to pick me up. But let me hit that gate, bro. You talking about my vape? Yeah, I'm just mixing the word gay with vape. So, can I hit the gape? You calling me gay, bitch? Mm-hmm. But what the fuck does that make you then if you want to hit it? A fucking addict, obviously, because I need the nicotine. Now give me the shit. Here, bro. Hell, I thought I was chilling with my friend, not applying for the fucking FBI. Bro, get my fucking shit, man. You good? Oh, ooh, yeah, here you go. Ooh. Bro, that shit, man. What flavor that is? Strawberry, bro. Oh, okay, it ain't that bad, bro. You know, I done had a mean cough these days. You might need to see a mean doctor. Nah, bro, you know, built tough, bro. Built Ford tough. Fords ain't really worth shit, though. You know that, right? Well, I'm Chrysler tough, bro. I'm Chrysler tough. Homie, bro, what the fuck?